guys, thanks for coming back to the channel. Today we have an unboxing. So let's see what we got here. I'm excited. Popcorn! Here, that's yours. Here is part number 1. What's this gonna be?
A massive coal tender.
Another coal tender?
That's massive.
And a whistle tender to boot. I've got too many of these. Maybe I should give this one to one of the viewers. What do you think?
No.
Oh, okay. This is one part of the package. This 2046 whistle tender, and it looks to be in pretty excellent shape. It doesn't have a ton of big deep scratches all over it. Well, I guess there's a little bit of touch up on it, but it's not cracked. It has all its steps. So that's pretty exciting. What else came in the mail here? Oh, this is a big one.
Hey, it's sausage bubble wrap.
It's sausage bubble wraps. This is a whole different type of bubble wrap.
It's not burger wrap, it's hot dog wrap.
So, well, already, I don't think it's the world's smallest diesel. Do you think it's the world's smallest diesel?
No.
Still?
I think it's a whole lot of black popsicles.
Oh, well, let's see what it really is. Because your guesses are terrible. A 726 RR Berkshire.
That looks like Hudson.
It does look like Hudson. And by Hudson, he's talking about 2055. That's what he calls Hudson. And yes, very similar to him, right? Look at this guy. Except Hudson doesn't have 4 driving wheels, does he? He's only got 3. This looks in fantastic condition. Look at that, super clean. Still got the maintenance sticker up in there, if you guys can see that. Right? No rust. The arms look fantastic on this guy. And you know what? Oh, and he's got the little flag holders even. He's got both of them. That's pretty awesome.
I think I remember seeing an image with a train with flags on the train, a Canada flag on the train.
Well, look, he's got 1, 2 jewels on one side, 1, 2 jewels on the other side. He's got 4 jewels. Really complete looking train. You know what else he does, though?
What? His thing opens up really easily.
The boilerplate opens up. He's got his light bulb in there already. That's looking pretty clean.
Maybe we can run him right away like we did for Blue Diesel.
You think so? Hi guys, Warren Muzak here, Postwar guy. I just wanted to do a little insert into this video here as a side note. Whenever I buy any of my trains, I never just throw them right on the track when I get them home. It's too risky. I always take the shells off. I always check inside to make sure that there's no shorts, no bare wires, no disconnected wires or anything like that. And the reason I do that is because in the most cases, we're dealing with 70-year-old electrical wiring, and there is a huge potential for shorts. There's a huge potential for fires, and I just don't want to risk it. It could destroy or wreck the transformer. It could wreck the locomotive or other accessories if you have attached to them. It could start a fire. So it's a really important practice when you get a new post-war Lionel locomotive, even some of the MPC era stuff, because it's getting up there in age as well, to take off that shell, have a look at the wiring first before you run it on that track and cause some bigger problems. Okay, we can finish up this video now. All right, guys, well, that does it for the unboxing of my Lionel 726RR. I'm really excited to get this guy on the tracks, but before I do that, I am going to do a shell removal, just kind of inspect his wiring to make sure everything is in order. A little bit of lubrication, check the wiring for bare spots, shorts, things like that. And we're going to throw him on the track, and I can't wait for that and show you guys how he runs. So until next time, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and the notification bell, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.